Welcome back to your girl Brittanee, and it's Hump Day. Handmade, that is. Yes, we are in our August edition, and this one I have for you today is a little booklet style matchbook. Pocket style matchbook. Hey, there we go. That's a lot better. And with this, it has like 3 pockets, so you can go ahead and add any fun little happy mail. This is probably one of the quickest and most simplest tutorials that you will see from me. So make sure you stay tuned and check it out. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl, and also make sure you check the description for all the lovely ladies who are participating in this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first we have a 6 by 7 3/4, and on the long side we score at 3/4 of an inch and 6 3/4. Then we have a 6 by 6. You just choose a side and score it at 1. We're going to go ahead and fold on those score lines, and we're going to add our adhesive on just one of the 1-inch score parts, and we're going to attach it to the other 1-inch scoring parts. And then when you're done with that, let's go ahead and mat these bad boys. Now we have 3 pieces, one measuring at 5 3/4 by 8, and then 4 3/4 by 8, and 3 3/4 by 8. And they're all going to be scored the exact same way on the 8-inch side at 1/2 inch and 1 inch on both ends. And as you see, I've already matted. So what I'm going to do is add my score tape on the outside portion of that 1/2 inch on the side that is not matted. And I'm going to start with the smaller one, and we're going to fold in and then fold out. And I'm going to take the middle piece, and I'm going to remove my score tape and add some glue, and I'm going to line it up so that it's inside of the score lines, lined up to the bottom edge. Then I'm going to flip over the middle piece and do the exact same thing. So I'll fold my tabs in and then out, and then I'm going to line it up the same way on the larger piece. Then we're going to grab our matchbook, and we're going to adhere the larger piece inside of it. Make sure that you have the little flap, the 3/4 of an inch flap at the bottom. And so one thing I learned about doing this is that if you don't have a very strong stapler, go ahead and cut little notches at the edge at the bottom of your little pocket pages on all 3 of them, so then that way your stapler goes in a lot better. Just as like a small notch, not too big, but if you don't have like a super strong like industrial style stapler, you want to go ahead and do that. So then we're going to fold over our flap, and then I'm going to add 3 staples, one towards the end, middle, and then the other end. And there you have it, super quick, simple, and easy. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the other ladies down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!